Welcome back, guys. Ready to bring you a bunch of different part reviews. We're going to be doing a bunch of upgrades to Monstro. It's going to be really exciting. I'm happy to bring you guys this stuff and try and give you some of the knowledge I've learned in trying to upgrade this thing and do it the right way and try and keep from having problems. And today I'm going to bring you an episode about why you should have a Dana 44 diff cover. So check it out. We went out to Big Bear and we had a little bit of an issue. When we went across a giant boulder, we slid and I thought our diff cover was fine, but apparently it wasn't.
Ah, look at this shit! Oh!
It started leaking and there was nobody open in Big Bear. So I ended up having to wait till the next morning and get some fluid, and it just kind of put a damper on our trip. So to remedy that, we should have installed these. These are Poison Spyder Bombshell Diff covers. These things are just ridiculous. Compared to these little dinky things, there's no comparison. These things right here will take a beating and you will never have a problem with them. We also installed it with one of these lube blocker gaskets. These gaskets right here are a reusable gasket. They seem to be working fine. I installed it and haven't had a problem with it leaking whatsoever. So, I think you guys should probably think about, if you really want to do some off-roading and have thoughts of going through boulders or anything like that, I do believe a upgraded diff cover is probably a must. I mean, we took just one slide off of there and we're peeled back and losing fluid. These also, they won't take a hit if you back into it. If you back into one of these things, you are just absolutely going to put a huge dent in it. Your gears won't be able to spin. You're going to be stuck on the trail. Right then and there, you're done. Your day's over with and you're needing towed out. And that's horrible. It's a horrible feeling when you're out there in the middle of nowhere having fun. So, get you one of these. These things are awesome. I would recommend these 100%. So, we appreciate you watching and look forward to a lot more part reviews as we start building up Monstro a lot bigger and badder. We're going to be focusing more on beefing up armament and suspension, and the drivetrain. All of that's going to get upgraded. We really look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Leave us a comment down below if you have anything, any questions, comments, anything I can help with. Any comments that you might have about these, let me know. We appreciate it. Hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time.